May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 on behalf of additional AG in Team Song. Since it's indisposed, yes. I pray that the matter may be listed next Thursday, Your Lordship.
Hearing.
Yes, hearing item 9.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here this matter has been pending for quite some time, so I pray this may be the last chance, Lordship.
He's indisposed. So,
Lordship.
item 9, mention has been made by Shri M. Longkamer on the instructions from Shri M. Tim Song, learned additional AG, to list the matter
15-5.
on 15/5/2025 as the learned additional AG is indisposed. Stop prayer is allowed. Learned counsel for the petitioner states that this is long pending. This is 23, but
Lordship, there is an urgency. This is regarding to the appointment of JP Ship, Lordship.
the learned counsel for the petitioner states that there is some urgency in the matter, and accordingly, this may be the last opportunity. So accordingly, please the matter on 15/5. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I also like to mention item 3 on behalf of MSV Socre. We pray that the matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Has Shukri filed her Vakalatnama in this case? Please ask her, okay?
Yes, Your
Because there's
Lordship.
a notification of the registry.
Your Lordship.
Mention has been made on behalf of Miss V. Shukri to list the matter.
After 3 weeks, Your
After 3
Lordship.
weeks. Prayer is allowed. Learned counsel for the petitioner is present. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 8, my lord. My lord, my apologies, my lord. This is a fixed matter. However, my senior, Mr. Ejimomi, he was on his way, but however, he had some car troubles on the way. So I pray that this matter can be passed over for the day, my lord, if it can be listed on Thursday.
Thursday. As Mr. Ezimomi, learned counsel for the
I have a sincere request that this matter can be listed on 27th of May.
27th of May. Why? Why not this week or next week?
My senior is out of station, so
Okay. Who's your senior?
Ajo.
Mention has been made on behalf of Mr. Ezimomi that he has some personal difficulties today, and accordingly to pass over the matter. However, learned counsel such and such appearing on behalf of your name, behalf of
Wetzel.
Mr. Ezo for the respondent number,
4.
your respondent number 4 has prayed for listing the matter on 27th,
Yes.
on 27th of May. Accordingly, list the matter on 27th May.
There's an interim here, if you
And
can
the
extend.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item number 10 as well, my lord.
To pass over,
Yes, my lord,
item
for
10
Thursday.
is pass over
Your
for the
Lordship,
day.
my senior
Pass over to
difficulty.
Thursday.
Your Lordship, my senior have difficulty on Thursday.
Oh,
It can it be listed on 13th of May?
13th of May. List the matter on, cut the others. List the matter on 13 May on the consent of both the parties.
Obliged, my lord.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, Your Lordship. On behalf of leading counsel for the appellant, Sumika Kati, Your Lordship. On a consensus prayer, Your Lordship, if this matter can come up after 2 weeks,
Okay.
3 weeks.
Item 2, na?
Yes, Your Lord.
Item 2 for admission. List the matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
On the prayer of
Lordship.
the parties. Yes.
I'm for respondent 1 to 4.
Learned counsel, in such appears for respondent number 1 to 4. Take the name.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, I again beg to mention hearing item number 11, Your Lordship. Here, the leading counsel is PP Paul, Your Lordship. He is out of station, Your Lordship. So if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Respondent, yes. Item 11. List the matter after 3 weeks on the prayer of learned counsel, such and such, appearing, mentioning on behalf of Mr. P.P. Paul, who is stated to be out of station. Learned government counsel, Mrs. S. Mary, has no objections.
Lordship, there's an interim, Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Much obliged.
For motion item number 12.
May it please your lordship. Uh, Your lordship, as per the last order dated 16/04/25, passed by this honorable High Court, the petitioner has been directed to implead the Nagaland State Commission for Women as a necessary party for proper adjudication. In compliance to this order, the petitioner has filed the present IA for implement of the Nagaland State Commission for Women as respondent number 8.
Yes.
I'm appearing for the respondent number 5 in the events. Since it's only a application for adjudication, I have no objection.
Yes, yes, it's to implement the main commission, so I think that's necessary. Yes. Learned counsel, Mr. Your name?
Atsizo Kense.
So can say appearing for the applicant. Stop. To this application, the petitioner has stated that a writ petition criminal 10 of 2025 had been filed, praying for quashing and setting aside the impugned complaint letter dated 17/3/2025 and FIR dated 2/4/2025. Stop. On 16/4/2025, the WP Criminal 1025 was listed for motion. And at the stage of motion, it was indicated that the Nagaland State Commission for Women, Government of Nagaland, should be implemented as a necessary party. Stop. And hence this IA has been filed, praying for implementation of the Nagaland State Commission for Women as respondent number 8 in the writ petition criminal 10 of 2025. Stop. Accordingly, this application is allowed and the petitioner is allowed to make the necessary changes in the cost title and serve notice on the newly implemented respondent number 8 by registered post with AD within 3 days.
Much obliged.
For motion item 13.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, I'm making the mention on behalf of Mr. Theodori. Lordship, if Lordship may kindly list the matter tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yes, Lordship.
pass over for today.
Blessings. 14,
14
similar prayer,
also.
14 also.
14 also.
Hello, bless.
Item number 15.
May I please, my lady?
Yes.
My lady, I'm appearing to VC. in this-
Adjust your camera. We can see only your forehead. Yes.
My lady, this IA is for condonation of delay
Hmm.
of 94 days. I have explained the delay at para 7 of the IA, my lady. And this is come for the first time.
Okay, okay, we'll issue notice.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
This is an application under section 5 of this is IA 68, okay? An application under section 5 of the Indian Limitation Act 1963, praying for continuation of delay of 94 days in filing the connected MSC appeal. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents number. How many respondents? 1, 2, 3. 1 to 6. Respondents 1 to 6. Stop. The appellant shall take steps by registered post with AD as well as usual process within a period of 3 working days and list the matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, your lordship, I'm appearing through VC, lordship. I'm for the petitioner. Lordship, Mr. Zian Sahiwala, senior counsel, leads in the case. So we'll pray for adjournment today and also for fixing a date, lordship. Otherwise, it is difficult for him to travel to without a date being fixed, lordship. We came to know only yesterday. I'm for the petitioner, lordship.
No, just seeing whether respondents have entered appearance.
Yes, lordship, they have entered.
Who's appearing? You're appearing?
I'm for respondent number 1.
Okay. We'll fix a date then.
Lordship.
Learned counsel, Shri such and such, your
For the
name
petition.
appears for
Deep
the
Jyoti D. Dekal.
Deka, appears for the petitioner and has prayed for fixing a date as he is led by his senior. And therefore,
Mr. GN Sahiwala.
JN,
GN Sahiwala, lordship.
okay.
My senior counsel is GN Sahiwala.
JN Sahiwala. And therefore prays that a fixed date may be given since he's an outstation lawyer. Stop.
Yes, lordship.
Correspondent number 2 is present. List the matter on when?
Any date, lordship is.
It.
Lordship will only fix a date, any date convenient to this honorable court, lordship.
Next week?
Lordship, next week.
15th.
Maybe on a Thursday, that would.
15th. List matter on 15th.
Yes,
15th.
yes, lordship. Yes, lordship. Highly obliged, lordship.
For admission, item 4.
May it please, my lord. My lord, we have filed this petition for quashing of the FIR. In the last occasion, this honorable court have directed the opponent respondent to file the vakalatnama. And today
Vakalatnama and objection if required.
we have filed the
Time for the
vakalatnama.
respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay.
We have received the copy and then we don't have any objection for question of FIR since it was amicably settled between both the parties.
Oh, amicable settlement.
Yes.
Where is
Lordship.
it?
Page number. Page number 15 of my petition, para number 3. Lordship.
You're appearing for both. 2 and 3.
I'm appearing for the accused, the petitioner. I'm the petitioner, Lordship.
Show me the settlement deed or agreement, whatever.
Annex review, page 15, 16.
Page
Page number 15 and 16, Lordship.
is. Trial court record is here. Section 185.
Yes,
MV
Lordship.
Act.
MVA. And then 279
and
338 of the IPC.
Just give me IPC. Non-compatible.
279 is non-compoundable, Lordship.
Have you brought any authority? Any authorities? Citations? Because there are many, no, regarding such type of cases. If you can just give me one. 338.
I have one citation, Lordship. This is Himachal Pradesh High Court. And this honorable court have been also passed
Yeah, there are
an
some
order
Supreme Court
quashing
judgments
the
also.
FIR. Lordship.
Great learned counsel for the petitioner, Shri Riley. Stop. This petition has been filed under section 528 of the BNSS, praying for quashing of FIR number. Sit, it's okay. Riley. Quashing of FIR number 0022/2023 in connection with GR case number 75 of 2023, North PS case number 22 of 2023 under section 279/338 IPC, read with section 185 of the Motor Vehicles Act. Now, if you are booked under IPC sections, then CRPC, you have to file under 482 CRPC actually. Because there is a Supreme Court judgment also which says if it is IPC, then it will be CRPC, and only if it is booked under BNS, then it will be BNSS. Anyway, you just say that.
Lordship, initially we filed under
482.
482, but
Okay, just say
because
section
we feel
528
that
of BNSS
BNSS introduced. So
/ 482 CRPC. It is the submission of the petitioner that he was driving a taxi bearing, no, just say he was driving a taxi that plies in and around Kohima. And on 30/5/2023, while proceeding towards Chotobosti colony, the taxi accidentally hit Mr. Rukotole, who is the respondent number. He is respondent number 3. Who is the respondent number 3 in the present petition? Right after the accident, the respondent number 2 was hospitalized at Oking Hospital, and the petitioner / accused surrendered before the North Police Station and was booked under section 279/338 IPC, read with section 185 of the MV Act. Stop. Next paragraph. It is also stated that Subsequently, the parties have come to an agreement to settle the matter outside the court. Stop. And thereafter, the settlement deed was executed between the parties through a compromise deed dated 17 June 2023. Stop. The compromise deed stated that the parties have agreed to forgive and forget the offense in true Christian spirit, and further agreed to withdraw all the complaints made against the petitioner / accused in relation to the GR case number 75 of 2023. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner therefore submits that the ongoing criminal proceedings before the learned, which court?
Madhya Pradesh Court, High Court.
No, this petition, this case is lying where? Before which court?
Before
Your case,
uh,
CJM,
Chief Judicial Magistrate.
pending before the CJM Kohima, may be quashed and set aside in the interest of justice. Stop. Learned counsel has stated that the petitioner had no intention to harm the victim, and the unfortunate incident was purely accidental in nature. Stop. Learned counsel has relied on the case of State of Karnataka versus L. Moniswamy, reported in 1977 to SCC 699, where the Honorable Apex Court had observed that the High Court under Section 482 CRPC can quash the criminal proceedings if it comes to the conclusion that the ends of justice so requires the same, For example, where there would be almost no chance of conviction, and when the parties have entered into a compromise, and when no useful purpose would be served by allowing the criminal proceeding to continue. Stop. In view of the above submissions, learned counsel prays that this petition may be allowed and the ongoing criminal proceeding in GR case number 75 of 23 may be quashed and set aside. Stop. Next para. Learned counsel, Shri, your name? Please give your name. Yeah.
Mayor Vishnu,
Appearing for the respondents.
respondent number 2 and 3.
Number 2 and 3 has submitted that he has no objections in the present petition, as the parties have already entered into a compromise. Stop. Learned PP.
For respondent number 1.
Sri Tibapom, appearing for respondent number 1, also submits that he has no objection.
Yes, my lord, here the section two
Of course,
seventy-nine
yes,
is not available. Yes.
non-compoundable, yes. However, he states that section 279 IPC is non-compoundable. Yeah, he's non-compoundable, and therefore the petition cannot be allowed. Stop. Next one. This court has considered the submission of the parties, and it is seen that the matter has been amicably settled, and moreover, the offense occurred due to an accident. And the victim, who's respondent number 2? Respondent number 3 is the one who was injured. Then
Complainant.
respondent number 2 is complainant. Okay. Yeah, what did I say? Last. And the victim and his family no longer intends to pursue the matter. Stop. It would be therefore futile to proceed with the criminal prosecution against the present petitioner, as there is no likelihood of the case ending in conviction. Stop. Although the respondent number 3 was injured, it is seen that the petitioner had also, you said somewhere that you bore the medical expenses or something like that, no?
Yes, Your
of
Honor. As per the settlement, the accused also paid all the medical fees incurred.
No, in the petition also, have you stated?
the petition also we have stated lordship, yes.
Just say, and moreover, the petitioner had already paid all the medical expenses incurred during the treatment of the respondent number 2. Stop. This court is therefore of the opinion that this instant criminal petition can be allowed at this stage. Stop. Accordingly, therefore the instant criminal petition is allowed, and the proceeding of GR case number 75 of 23 pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Kohima is quashed and set aside. Return the trial court records to the learned court of CGM Kohima. Disposed.
Item number 5.
May it please, my lord. Lordship, this also relates to compromise. This is an election related case. The respondent number 2, upon whom notice is deemed to have been completed by order dated 17 April 2025. He is the FIR informant. We are all members of the same village. He has categorically told us that he will not be engaging any counsel. In fact, I am known to the respondent number 2 also. I am representing him in other cases. Last week also, a hearing was conducted where I represented the respondent number 2. He has told me in person also that he will not be engaging anyone.
But without anything, I mean, the court is ready to hear the parties and dispose of, but without anything from the respondent number 2, the other.
Trustee has been served upon him.
You have filed the affidavit also.
Yes, I have filed affidavit. And by order dated 17 April 2025, notice is deemed to be complete is upon the respondent number 2. He is the ex-candidate, the unreturned candidate in the last general election.
Which date? Order dated? The
17,
deemed service.
17, 4.
74.
Otherwise, if I was not appearing for the petitioners, I perhaps would have appeared for him.
Can't he, at least can't he file an affidavit or something?
In fact, he has already signed an affidavit and handed it to me. But I'm for the petitioner, so I
No,
cannot file.
that you cannot. Otherwise, I've seen that in some places, they also file joint petition.
Yes, yes. Earlier, I also used to do that, but one of the brother judges, he told me to implead the complainant as respondent and don't not to come by a joint petition.
Because I've seen in Itanagar also, in Gauhati also,
Okay.
they file joint petition.
Yes.
The accused as well
Yes,
as the
yes.
respondent, no, when they
Otherwise,
enter into complaint.
for the petitioners also, for the respondents also, it is much easier.
Because on your statement alone,
Yes,
even if you know the respondent,
yes.
it's not proper, no?
Yes, that's true. I agree.
And later, if something happens, then again, they will file a litigation and that's not. Can you withdraw this and file a fresh joint petition?
Instead of that,
Oh.
I think I'll advise him to get someone.
Yes, just to file an affidavit.
Yes.
That will also do.
Yes. He was jokingly suggesting me to let one
No.
of my juniors appear also, but I said no, that's not that wouldn't look good.
It's not proper. You file it within 2 or 3 days and then
Yes,
we can
yes.
dispose it.
Last week also I took up a hearing matter in the
No,
in
no,
the
that
other
is
court. Yes.
outside the record, no?
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Shri Siddhi Yaman is present. Stop. Learned BP, Miss Mary is present for the state respondents.
If it can kindly be listed on Thursday, then
Yes, okay.
I'll immediately contact him.
List the matter on Thursday will be 8. Thursday, list the matter on 8 May. Awaiting appearance of respondent number 2.
My lord. I'm
Just
deeply
say that
obliged.
and then in the meantime, you do the needful.
My lord. Let the interim continue till the
The
next.
the interim passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Deeply obliged.
For admission, item number 6.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of my senior Ejo, as he is out of station. So may this matter come up kindly after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.
You are?
Petition, I'm for
No,
petitioner.
your name?
Ejo.
Your name?
Oh,
name.
Vanilla.
Vanilla,
Vanilla niya
Miss
kaya.
Vanilla, on instructions from Mr. Ezo, submits that her senior is out of station and accordingly prays for listing the matter after 3 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Yes.
Learned PP, Miss Mary is present and has no objection. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
For hearing, item number 7.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I'm for the appellant accused. Lordship, here, my senior, the arguing counsel is currently out of station. So your lordship may be
Here,
gracious if,
so-
lordship.
Otherwise, this is a very old matter,
Lordship.
2018. 2 weeks here also,
Lordship, 3 weeks,
3
lordship.
weeks. List the matter after 3 weeks on the prayer of Mr. Such and such, on instructions from, on behalf of Mr. Ezo. Learned Government Council, M. Lokamar, present for the state. Yes,
Much obliged.
3 weeks.
From the supplementary cost list for hearing, item numbers 16 and 17.
Matter, na? Where's Imti and Muli? Can you just see? Can you just see? MT Longchar and ZN Muli. You're not around, then maybe we can. This is part third, na? Mm. Yeah, it's from yesterday. I don't want to keep it. They are not in code one. Pass over for the day.
Yeah, like S really.